Mommy! 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 Mama! 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 Ma! Ma! Ma!
Oh, I sent you a link. It says right now.
Mom! Mom! Mom!
Not so long.
Mommy!
Yeah,
Mommy!
Huh?
I did just a message. I don't know if I sent it right.
How can you put your phone in your new phone?
One of them.
So you gave your cat treats, you say?
Oh, you.
So your treats make your cat smart? Did you listen to you?
But to teach them how to be good, that's the
Do you want to know why your line it's not gonna work? Because you have the cheap, the 9 Life suck. You have to get the good brand. No, the good treats. The one that has like sardines and all that.
Barry,
Huh.
Barry,
Oh yeah.
Barry. What? Treat, Barry. Oh, it's just one for you. Oh, you great. Barry,
You didn't drink?
seriously?
Hey, you didn't drink?
Huh?
You didn't drink?
Who?
You?
No.
Did I get you annoyed? I'm sorry.
No.
I get you annoyed. I get you mad?
No.
You hate me, huh?
No.
What is this link
No.
on? What's this
No,
link?
but I didn't
Need a
think
name
that was
pop up.
actually drunk the other day.
I know. What?
The Christmas wasn't drunk. You know, he gave
No,
me
I said,
that?
do I get you mad?
No.
Get you annoyed?
No.
You know how you annoyed like other people in the house? I'm doing that to you. Sorry,
Is
though.
Ryan going?
Yeah.
Because I
didn't
asked
know.
him, he's all mad at me. Like,
No.
I just get you annoyed.
No,
Yeah.
you're not giving me
I get you annoyed though.
No.
Fine. Let's sing together. Let's sing a song. Let's sing the Descender song.
I'm singing.
Why? You can hit her up on Messenger.
Yeah, first. Up. Come on. Get over here. Get over here. Look.
how am I being mean to you? I'm trying to make your breakfast after what you want to eat.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I'm trying to guess where everybody.
Yeah, you eat the cat food. You're nasty.
Hey, where's the great cat? The great cat's in here.
I know.
Yeah, no, he came in again. We gotta get him out before your dad
You're
comes.
nasty. You eat the cat food.
Drink it. There's a whole one. There's two. It's gonna go bad if you
You're
guys don't
funny.
drink it.
Why the fuck would I have one? You make it so
Cause you're his baby.
fucking tired of that.
We're vlogging. Hey, we're vlogging. Hey, we're vlogging. Think that. You're gonna make me rich. Hey, you're gonna make me rich.
Hey, Jasmine, my phone back serious.
What?
$5.
I'm not Jasmine. Jasmine's
I heard your brother, your baby brother, had to go buy a condo.
Yeah. On the second, relax.
Why condoms cost $5?
No,
Yeah, for 3.
And you did it 3 times.
no. Like.
Hey, make sure the great cat don't go in my room, please.
Where's the great?
I don't know. He's in there somewhere. With snow too.
Sure, Smokey?
Snow too. How did this get on my phone?
I just did one episode on YouTube. Cat Whisperer. She's making famous.
What food they for you? You wanna go? Cause he don't wanna go, mom. But if I go, he wants to go.
I know. With you. I'm not going for you guys. I made bacon and there's fucking bagels.
Didn't nobody want it?
Yeah.
I'll give it to her. You want it already?
I got $2. Bet you know what money mean out of.
Fucking paper.
No, made out of silk,
Become
like some cloth.
RBD, babe.
What?
RBD, rebelde.
Show you this.
Come on, do something crazy.
Tom, let me see your belly button.
So you give your cat treats and they listen to you?
Am I stupid, dog? Here you go. Dance.
Hello. Hey.
Oh, dance.
Okay.
Your cat get treats?
He doesn't want it. He didn't eat it.
But how do you know he does? Does he want them?
No. No, he doesn't want it.
Come with him, but SB. Does he go SB? I want a treat.
That's almost done.
That's my dollar.
Where's he at?
It's fine.
He didn't even like you. He's trying to get away from you. I bet you if you let him out, he'll just go run away.
Where's that other gray cat? Nobody for real. You guys don't know.
Pame su gin.
He came and he was eating, Daniel.
Pame su gin. And I'll get off your mom.
All right, Daniel was gonna buy it for you, not me.